So here we have the Peugeot 2008 on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of it first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space. We've also got that 60/40 split folding rear seat in there should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge, then the rev counter, speedometer, and fuel gauge. In the centre is a digital readout for the speedometer, and the total miles of the car, 44,296. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo and phone controls available on here. We then have cruise control and speed limiter on this stalk. And then into the centre, the main touchscreen. So that takes you back to your main menu. We're on the driving menu just there. We have a telephone menu where you can, of course, pair up your phone to the car. Once you've done so, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls, but you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly via the Bluetooth audio just there. We have USB input, auxiliary input, AM, DAB, and FM radio as well. On the subject of phones, you can also connect up your phone for Apple CarPlay. MirrorLink will allow certain Peugeot-friendly apps to be projected up onto this screen once you plug in your phone via USB, which I'll show you in just a moment. We have the direction for your aircon just there, the fan speed, of course, and then the temperature. The air conditioning is off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set just here. We have a rear heated screen as well. Deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside, and our hazard warning lights, of course. Underneath that, we have the USB input I mentioned just a moment ago. Auxiliary input, a 12-volt charging socket, some storage, additional storage back here, as well as 2 cup holders, and then the gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.